In this video, I will show you how to execute an external script which is in JavaScript in Camunda script task. So the first thing that I do is download the basic initializing application, Camunda application from start.camunda.com, and I will extract it to my folder and I will open it in IntelliJ. Once I open it in IntelliJ, I'll open the process.bpmn file and change the task type to script task, and in the script field I'll add format as JavaScript and type as external resource and name it as external script.js, and I'll just provide a result variable. And in IntelliJ, in the resources folder, I'll keep a file called external script.js, and in external script.js I'll add some JavaScript. I'll console.log external world or some string. I'll also console.log the execution.get variable names and execution.get variable input var. So that input var is actually an input for this task. I have provided as an input variable string or expression, and so it can be list, maps, script, or string or expression. So I provided a string called input variable. So I'll save this. So apart from this, to make this work, you'll also have to introduce two new dependencies to your pom.xml file: org.gral vm.js, JS, and then JS script engine. So JS and JS script engine are required as two dependencies for this to work. Otherwise, you will get a script engine related exception. Also, I will start the Spring Boot application using a command line runner. So the command line runner will start the process engine with process engines.get default process engine.get runtime service.start process instance by key JavaScript process. So JavaScript process is the name of this process, BPMN file, the BPMN process name, and that's it. So now I can start running this program and we can see the output. So let's see if we get the required JavaScript being printed out. So we should see three outputs: external world, all the variable names, and the value of the input var variable. So you can see external world and the list of all the variables and then the value of input variables. So we have only one variable, so it will be input var, and the value is input variable as I provided here. So that concludes my talk, and thank you for your attention.